Welcome to the Total Quality Management fifth module contents. The fifth module will be knowing what is TQM and TPM and how it is implemented at the workplace. So, what is TPM? What is the history of TPM? What is the difference between TQM and TPM? What are the types of maintenance? What are the steps used in introduction of TPM? What are the pillars of TPM and goals of TPM? How the targets are fixed using TPM? OEE calculations how to be carried out. What are the benefits of implementing TPM in the system? Difficulties faced in implementing TPM. So further conclusion has been drawn. So here we'll be coming with the first part, that is what is TPM. It is the total production management. So in the TPM, first we'll discuss with the introduction to TPM. And the TPM is keeping the plant and equipment at its highest level through cooperation with all the areas of the organization. First part of TPM involves breaking down the barriers between the maintenance and the production personnel, so they are working together. Common objective of TPM is peak performance or total productivity. Total productive maintenance can be considered as medical science of machines. The idea behind TPM is to markedly increase production while at the same time increasing employee morale and job satisfaction. TPM brings maintenance into focus as a necessary and vitally important part of the business. Downtime for maintenance is scheduled as a part of manufacturing day and in some cases as integral part of manufacturing process. The goal is to hold emergency and unscheduled maintenance to a minimum. What are the difference between TQM and TPM? TPM program closely resembles popular TQM program. Many tools such as employee empowerment, benchmarking, documentations are used in TPM, are used to implement and optimize by using TPM. So TPM, it is a part of TQM. So without TPM, TQM cannot be achieved. So both will be going hand by hand. What are the similarities we can see is to total commitment to the program by upper level management. Employees must be empowered to initiate corrective actions. Long range outlook must be accepted as TPM, as it may take a year or more to implement to go with the process. Changes in the employee mindset towards their job responsibilities must take place as well. So difference is TQM object is quality, TPM object is equipment. So TQM obtains goals by systemizing the management and its software oriented. TPM obtains goals by employee participation and it is hardware oriented. TQM target is quality for PPM. TPM target is elimination of losses and wastes. If you go with maintenance, so there are different type of maintenance. One is the periodic maintenance and another is predictive maintenance. The periodic maintenance, it is time-based maintenance. So at every stipulated time, inspecting, service and cleaning of the equipments must happen. And even if there is replacement of the parts also, you have to replace if there is sudden failure and process problem. If it is predictive maintenance, here the service life of the important part is predicted based on the inspection or diagnosis. In order to use the parts to the limit of their service life, here we are supposed to change the parts. Compared to the periodic maintenance, predictive maintenance is condition-based maintenance. It manages trend values by measuring and analyzing data about deterioration and employs a surveillance systems designed to monitor conditions through an online system. So if you go with maintenance, what are the type of maintenance we have got is corrective maintenance and maintenance prevention. So corrective maintenance, it is equipment design weakness must be redesigned to improve the reliability or improving the maintainability. If it is maintenance prevention, it indicates the design of new equipment. Weakness of current machines are studied thoroughly, which will lead to failure prevention, and it is incorporated before commissioning a new equipment. What are the steps used in TPM in an organization is first is the step A, that is the preparatory stage. So here announcement by management all the TPM introduction in the organization. So proper understanding, commitment and active involvement of the top management is needed in this step. In the second step, it is initial education and propaganda for TPM. This training has to be carried out. Take people who matters to places where TPM already is successfully implement and educate them how exactly they are supposed to implement inside the organization. Step 3 is step up the TPM and departmental committees. TPM includes implement autonomous maintenance, quality maintenance. Where committees are set up, it should take care of all those needs. Establishing TPM working system and target. Master plan for institutionalizing. Next step is implementation leading to institutionalizing, wherein TPM becomes an organization culture. Achieving production management award is the proof of reaching a satisfactory level. Step B is introduction stage. So here this is a ceremony and they are going to invite all, even the suppliers also they are invited, where they want to provide quality supply from them. So the related and affiliated companies who can be our customers, sister concern, etc. Some may learn from us, some can help us, and customers will get the communication from us that we care for the quality output. Like this two step A and B, it is added to go with the TPM.